Hey, hello guys, how are you all doing? Happy Easter. Today is Monday, so happy Easter Monday to each and every single one of you. It's been a long time since I talked to you guys like this. It's been voiceover, but today I just decided to talk to you guys. Like, I'm kind of missing this. You guys understand now, when we used to like talk to each other face to face, one-on-one, you understand. So why am I all this bubbly and jiggly? It's because we're having a visitor today, one of my sissy from another mother. She's coming with her family, and she's someone you guys have seen one or twice on this channel, but you're going to see them or see her again today with her family once they come. I'm not going to mention her name yet, but I can already tell that some of you are already guessing in the comment section. Keep guessing. Anyways guys, so this coming wasn't prepared though, like it wasn't planned. This morning as I was in the kitchen, I was just in the middle of cooking. I was making stew and hubby was on phone. So later on he told me that they said they are coming here this evening. So I was like, I've already started cooking and I didn't plan to cook for a large number of people. There are 5. So I was like, what should I do now? We're just asking ourselves questions. I'll ask him, he will ask me back. The meat he took out from the freezer a day before. No, on Saturday, because I wanted to make this stew as soon as we got back from church yesterday, which was Sunday, but we didn't come back early enough yesterday for me to start making stew. So I was like, I'm going to make this stew today so that we can eat from there. So like I said earlier, in the middle of the cooking, they called and said that they were coming. So I told hubby to help me bring more meat from the freezer, since the one here is not enough to serve a large number of people, so that I can cook it separately and add to the stew. The stew is already done. Like as I'm talking to you now, the stew is done. So what I'm going to do is to boil the meat. That's the meat there. If you guys can see, that's the meat. Yeah, I'm just going to boil it and add to the stew, and then all of us will just eat and be merry. It's just going to be white rice and stew. That's basically it. I didn't plan to cook for people today, so it's not my fault. Sis, when next you want to come, tell me a day before or 2 days before, so that I will now prepare very well. If I want to cook the whole world for you and your family, I will do that. But telling me that same day, get a CB, but it's okay. We are still in that spirit of celebrating Easter, so anything you people see, you guys will have to manage it that way, okay? All right guys, so let me go and quickly do that. I'll show you once I'm done with everything, and then yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are having an amazing Easter celebration so far. I wish you guys a happy Easter. I pray that the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ will bring us hope, peace, unity in our various homes, and then favor and blessings. Okay, talk to you guys later. All right guys, so here is the meat. I'm just going to steam the meat and add to my stew. You can see the stew, it's not even much, and we just ate from this now. We just finished eating, so you can also see that there is not enough meat there because I didn't plan to cook for a large number of people. So I'm just going to steam this meat now and add to the stew, and I think I should also fry a bit more tomatoes and add to this thing. Anyways, we'll see. Let's see what I get up to. Guys, I'm done cooking the meat. As you can see now, it's ready. So it's just for me to transfer it into the bigger pot. Ooh, it smells really nice. Can you believe that I didn't add any oil? See now, see, this is just from the chicken. I did not add any oil whatsoever, not even a single drop. Well, you can see the oil floating on top. I also added some seasoning like rosemary, a little bit of salt, and one seasoning cube. Already my stew has seasoning in it, so there's no need adding more. Just the one I added to this is just to give the chicken a bit more flavor and make it tasty as well. Ooh, oopsie la la. All right, I'm going to pour it in here and cook it a bit more, maybe like 5 minutes, so that everything can boil down together. Guys, can you see? Can you see the magic? Stew everywhere. Can you see stew everywhere? The pot is almost filled up. You guys can see that. Ooh. And I almost forgot to mention, guys, I boiled the tomatoes with the meat. I didn't fry it again. I just added it after about 10 minutes of cooking the meat and then boiled it for about 25 minutes more, which is in total 30 something minutes of cooking. So that's what I did. I didn't fry it. Guys, I just finished boiling. Ooh, sorry guys. Sorry for trying to blind your eyes. Oh no. Yes, so I just finished boiling the white rice. They are not here yet, but they will soon be here. And this is our lovely stew. Hey! Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. I thought you are coming with
us. I am not changing my I'm not what is no problem. Come Friday. Friday.
Guys, see my sister that I told you guys about. I know a lot of you already know her, right? Or do you want to introduce yourself?
No. Introduce myself.
Come on, you have a YouTube channel. Come and introduce yourself to them so that they will run and go there. I will carry her up. Stand. Nah.
I could have done it before.
You know your husband was blocking me too. I carried her up, but her hubby was blocking the camera. So you guys didn't see that part well. But I carried her up like this. I'm a strong woman.
Oh my God, guys, look at me. This one is just carrying me up like a baby. Oh my God. You think I have any weight at all? She's just like a baby. See trouble.
I thought she was coming with her children. You know, I told you guys that they are 5. But she came here with only her husband, so
I don't have kids any longer.
See what I made.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. But let me bring my camera. Because this is on my channel.
Okay. Look at them. They're here laughing. Why are you laughing? Unplanned is here enjoying herself.
Yeah.
My princess.
Mommy.
Hey, Blebble.
Hey, yeah.
Hello. She's wearing the skirt one of my subscribers, Ijoma Gloria no
okay.
Yes,
That day
on that
dedication
dedication day. Yes, she gave. Look at Favour's own. Favour, come out. Stand up. Let's see your own.
That's really beautiful.
You see, she gave it to them, and then Joshua and Caleb, stand up. Joshua is wearing the same thing.
Wow, go meet.
The top.
Go meet.
She really tried.
Yeah, she
also brought some other stuff.
Even she gave me a spoon. Cooking spoon.
Yeah. See now,
so
she's the one that gave me this spoon. This one. Yeah, she gave it to me.
She gave me one. That's what I used it when I made that when I made moi moi. That's what I used there. She was the one that gave me that.
She really gave everybody gifts like it. Yeah, she also gave me biscuits. See the biscuits here now. She also gave me biscuits.
Wow! This is the same biscuits.
I've been eating it alone.
JJ, thank you. You really tried.
Like,
you know that
really tried.
That my own biscuits. My son, Chukwemeka, went to school with it for snacks. During snacks time, he told me that all the members of his class went there
for that
biscuits.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you. Hey, let me continue with my
vlogging. See them.
No, I'm not vlogging.
And what are you trying to do?
TikTok. Ujubasha will see this one.
Ujubasha is going to see. Wait, are you now on TikTok?
For where?
You said TikTok.
Maybe with this one, I will start TikTok.
Because okay, if you are making it for TikTok, you have to keep it straight.
Tik what?
Like like this.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, that's for
and
TikTok.
No, let me keep it like this.
Oh, whatever.
Maybe. Oh my goodness.
What if?
Maybe it can still go on my channel anyways.
What if?
Assist you. Oh, this way. I don't want to go for now.
You are free, oh. You can just wash your hands
And they
pick one.
rice. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Oh, thank you.
What a beautiful Easter. Having you in my house. Although she came last month though.
Last month.
That was last month. Now we are in another month, which is April. You came in March. Yeah.
Okay, of course. That day I came to give you guys, you guys should not know about this one. It's our secret.
Yes, it's not yet time to share that one, so let's keep it like that for now.
Of course.
Yeah, so she came last month, but for me, it's like it's been years. Hey, okay, I think it's time to serve, right? They are still discussing, or maybe you eat your own. I don't know, or
no, it would be good if we eat
together, right?
Because there is love in sharing. There is love in sharing.
There is
love in sharing.
Blessing. She's trying to open my phone. Look at Blessing.
Oh my God.
You are such a drama queen.
Oh my God.
Darling. Thank you.
No, darling. I expect, honestly.
Wow.
More personally, boy, here, madam, Jack, Cotar and the mother, no, him, they maybe expect.
No.
As Anya be mean,
of course.
When he came home, mother got home, who I know, sitting in my mother when you pass through. Now, my brother, more actually, man, oh, to the family, always disaster.
Rolling.
Hey guys, longest time
rolling. They are about to leave.
Time to go.
It's 9:30.
Yes.
They have really stayed though. Like, if not that tomorrow is school, we will be here and talk and gist and chats. Don't swallow me because this is what I usually tell my children. Don't swallow me. I need to go and sleep and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is school. Tomorrow morning alarm will be ringing everywhere. Alarm will be ringing. It's not recording, no. It's not.
It's recording now.
I was
about to body ball. All the way because of what they got in the vlog.
Hi guys. They are going.
Yes, longest time, guys.
For your mind, look at it. Just look at it.
It has been long.
Yeah, she stopped vlogging.
Yes, so
they vlog as queen.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, there are some things I didn't show in this vlog. You guys will go over to her. Hold your own. To her channel and watch it, okay? I'm going to put the name of her channel on the screen. Please go and check her out and support her. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending the day with us. Look at the children I sent to go and sleep. Look at, they are out saying bye.
Bye. They should say bye to me now.
When you are sleeping, are you supposed to be saying bye?
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Oh, Auntie Gwe. Blessings.
Sister Oluchi, come and be going. Come, be okay, guys. Bye.